This is going to be the modern media miracle that you can see right before your eyes. So here it goes. There you have it. Isn't that a miracle? I mean, it's amazing, really, isn't it? This is a modern media miracle. I just absolutely love it. Now, here we are down at the bottom of the course, and I love narrative storytelling that kind of uses comparison storytelling. Okay, so again, let's imagine that we are in a high rise. Okay, so what I love about it is taking you up step by step. So I'm going to scroll through the course that you just saw me generate. I'm going to be talking about it. I'm doing a simulcast, so I'm creating a short video right now about this modern media miracle before your eyes that, it's show and tell. Look at this course that I just generated. And this could be your story. This could be a short story. This could be a PowerPoint for your class, and it's just absolutely keeps getting better and better and better, and it's very, very functional. And if something doesn't suit me, I can just eliminate it. It's easier to cut than to create. So we're looking at our ability to take you from wherever you are all the way to the top. Now I can customize it, I can change it, I can cut, I can make it mine, I can take the best of what it offers me, I can change it or cut it or edit it. And this is really the fastest way to do that. So I am creating, because AI is media for storytelling, for especially for beginners all the way up to world-class leaders. Now, I'm simulcasting because I am a media expert. In fact, my kind of moniker is Media Mike Hayes because I'm all about media. I love media and I love AI because as a media creator and distributor, next I'm going to show you how to distribute it. Well, having my story is not enough, Mike. I get that. It's not enough. There's two parts of media. You have to deploy media. You have to send it out to the world. But first, you've got to create it because nobody can hire you if they don't know about you. Am I right? So this is common sense. That's what we're going to do. Now I'm going to stop the one recording that I am doing. I'm going to invite anybody watching this maybe as a shorter video on YouTube because I can produce two videos, the short one that you're watching and the long one. So if you're seeing this on YouTube, just click on the links below to go to the AI Super Campus. And this is a kind of a trailer for the longer course if you're seeing it on YouTube. And so I hope you will join me. I'm Media Mike Hayes. Click on the link right below this shorter video, and this will take you to the AI Super Campus and to the longer video. So now I'm going to stop my short video recording,